Today on this episode, we are installing two pocket doors. Both pocket doors are job hung pocket doors. One is a pair and one is a single. So follow me, let's get this done. As you see here, I've already started cutting my jamb and getting it ready, prepping it for my hardware. Now, this is a great situation here because with my system, if your header is too low, you can't use the Peterson Pocket Door. Well, I was able to notch my header before my jamb, so I'm able now to bring this up inside the slot here so that you can still install the Peterson Pocket Door and have a fully adjustable system. So, again, I've had to add a little piece to the jamb just because it wasn't done correctly for my application. So I just added a piece of wood. Over here you can see my crosshairs that you see in other videos where I center my bracket. And I've already started cutting my framing. And so the big thing when you're laying out your pocket doors, lay out your pocket door on the ground first. Show where your jamb is going. Show where your opening goes. So when you pull out, and this is a 36-inch door, you'll see right here, there's my 36 inches. My jamb hangs in a half an inch. This jamb is going to be 1.25 inches, so you can see where my jamb is. And then, when the door closes, I have plenty of room. I'm not going to hit the framing. So here's my 36-inch door. You'll be flush here when it's in the open position. All right, here we go. Let's get going. Kit that you have in the plastic bag, there are some parts in there. You have your bolt, you have a brass washer, and a keeper ring. Put the bolt into the brass washer and run that through your track and your beam. And then inside the beam, you're going to put your keeper ring onto the bolt and then screw that through to the other side. When you're tightening up that nut, make sure you don't tighten it too tight on the flange. It's just to keep this loose so you can still spin it. So this can move around. So when we're framing, on a previous video, we show how we notch our bottom plate for our studs. And we do this because we want to make sure that when this is on the ground, this gives enough framing for drywall and baseboard. Okay, so here we go. Let's cut this to length. this episode today, we're going to be putting the Hawa Track and wheels onto the Peterson Pocket Door System. The only difference this time is that this track is 8 feet long, meaning we have a 4 foot wide door, and it's over 250 pounds.